Welcome back to our channel Design in Focus. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of kitchen design. Get ready to be inspired and discover the hottest trends that are transforming culinary spaces into true works of art. Kitchen design isn't just about functionality. It's about creating a space that reflects your lifestyle and personality. From clean, minimalist lines to rustic, cozy touches, there's a multitude of possibilities to turn your kitchen into a culinary sanctuary. Let's explore some of the most popular trends that are dominating the world of kitchen design. From quartz countertops that add elegance and durability to central islands that become the pulsating heart of your home, there's something for every taste and need. And there you have it, folks. I hope you've enjoyed exploring the exciting world of kitchen design with me. If you have any questions or want to share your own design experiences, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring content. Until next time.